And we are in front of a pretty interesting Remio Ford custom multi-style van. And we can check that this is a completely different setup with two beds that makes out when you just fold up and make a bed out of the front and rear seats. And then if we enter inside, we can check that we have a pretty big cooking space and standing height without problems. And also lowering down this, we have a double bed up there. But if we lift this up there, check that actually we have a pretty big amount of storage all around. And we have the heating element with an actual pretty good sink and fridge controls and three pretty good cabinets on this part and additional water storage in that part and additional storage on this part with an extremely great NFORD cassette toilet here. So yeah, you have your toilet to do your stuff and you can close yourself off and do your stuff without problems. And also closing this back on, you can check you have additional storage right up there. There is no actual shower inside, but you can use it outside as you have hot water. Pretty good and pretty nice looking Remio custom van. There